Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? I'm loving life here on YouTube, looking for my scissors. Welcome. If you're brand new here and you've never joined us in a video and this is your first time, I am Loving Life with You, like I said, here on YouTube. I am a reseller. I also do videos on biblical womanhood, being a wife, being a mom, living in this crazy world right now. And today we do have a reseller video. This one's different. I know I've been saying that a couple times lately. I'm trying to try some different things out. Y'all know that when you're sourcing online, if you don't know, for me to source locally in my town or in surrounding towns, our thrift stores around here, it's a minimum of 45 minutes to an hour drive, and when you have bad weather, especially during the fall and winter season, you can't really get out to, to source because of weather conditions, ice, snow, and that sort of thing. So I switched to a lot of online sourcing a couple years ago. But as we all know, online sourcing has changed a lot. If you don't know me yet, I do sell clothing, I sell jewelry, and I sell hard goods. This is a unique one. We're going to dive into this, so stay tuned to see what kind of hard goods I got this time, because they're a little different. Okay guys, so like I said, I've been trying to do online sourcing, and I've been finding that online sourcing, a lot of boxes are either brands and clothing that I'm not interested in purchasing because I know they won't do well for me. And so I was actually on Goodwill Bluebox site just looking at some different things. I'm trying to kind of go outside the box a little bit with hard goods. And also even with clothing, just trying to try some different things out. This box is plush. Yes, I said plush. This is so not something that I would normally do. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. This box, it was a plush box, 10 pounds, $29.99 plus $7 shipping, so $36.99 for all of these plush. I did some research before I bought this box, especially on eBay. I researched plush and what has sold. There's actually a lot of plush that sell pretty well, anywhere from 10 on up. They can get kind of expensive, so I figured I'd give this a try, for $30. I mean, I don't know what I'm expecting from this, but I thought I would just kind of go outside the box a little bit and give it a try. So this one is actually in a box. So let's see what we have here. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? I'm trying to figure out how to open this box. This is obviously the bottom. So how do I open this box? Oh, there we go. Yay. Alright, and I am going to keep it in its box, but this is a plush. I'm hoping that because it's in a box like this, that this is something good. See, it has a book. Oop, something dropped. And it is brand new. This might have gone with it. I think so. So this is the first one. And it says flip gift. It says supplier, it just says, it says Teddy Bear. Thready Bear interaction plush figure. So we will definitely put this up and see what it does. Kind of interested to see what that's all about. I will have to do some research on that one. But that is the first one. Let's take a look and see what else we have. Now guys, I've never done plush before. This is very new for me. Okay, this is a thank you Sunny plush. Very, very cute. So a thank you Sunny plush. These are all so lightweight, and guys, these will be so super easy to ship. So super easy. Alright, this is, it has a $3 mark on here, so I'm going to have to be careful taking that off. Feisty Pets, and This one is a 2013. This one does, I don't know if it's a wear or if that's just the way it looks. It does have a little bit of something here, so I will definitely note that in the listing. Otherwise, this actually looks pretty good. And again, I will have to be very careful in getting this off, because if you rip this off, then maybe it'll come off pretty easy. I didn't want to take off a bunch, have a big patch that comes off on the black. There we go, it's coming off. Okay, cool. Because last thing I want to do is damage the top and then say, oh yeah, I took a sticker off. So there's that one. That's cute. Alright. This is a little something. Okay, so he has little whiskers, a little thing. Now I might even bundle some of these together. This is a Myco 2002. So some of these are vintage already. So I will have to just look these over. I'm going to presume that maybe this was attached. It doesn't look like it was though. I don't know. I'll have to look at this further. So there's that one. Again, guys, this was just kind of one of those things I thought I'd try. Oh my goodness. The Greatest Show on Earth. Big elephant. Look at this. It still has a tag on the bottom. 136th edition Barnum and Bailey stuffed elephant. So, and it looks like it definitely has some stuff on it, so I'll have to note that. That's a pretty big one. Okay. This one is a new tags. This is a Coach Bear Boston Red Sox. It's cute. Like I said, guys, this was just a super, I'm going to test this out, fun box. I don't know that I'll get another one. We'll have to see how this does. After 30 days, we'll do a update on it. This one is a thank you. I've had thank yous before. TY Silk, Shell 100%. This is Paris. We've had a whole bunch of stuffed animals that were thank you before and they just didn't do anything, so I'm not sure how that will do. And this is another thank you, so he's cute. Alright, this is like a baby plush. This is cute. Definitely a baby plush. Has some staining on the bottom, so I will have to make note of that. They cut the tag off here, so I'm not sure, but we will Google Lens that. This one has a heavy base to it, so it can sit. And this one is Happy Easter Decor. So, and this one is, let me see, I don't know. Yeah, probably just like a basic thingamajigger. Like I said, we will do a 90-day update on this and see how it does. So if you're interested in knowing how this box does, do feel free to subscribe. You can check out the 90-day update when we do that. I don't know what this belonged to. Alright, this one is a Beanie Two's Thank You. So we have another one of those. We have a big one in here, like really big one. This is big. Whoa. This is original Squishmallow. Squishmallow 14-inch Junie the Yellow Banana. So, very cool. We will have to see how he does. And then we have one left in here. Oops, sorry, two. Two left in here. Another thank you, little kitty. And then a Merry Christmas little elf thingy. Okay, this one is, I don't know, doesn't really say. So, let's, big, it reminds me of, this is like a banana. That's my screenshot right there. Okay guys, like I said, this was just kind of all for fun. I will be getting more items. Y'all know that I'm working on listing 10 items a day. What I'm doing is I'm doing 5 new. And then I'm going through all of my old inventory. And I'm actually pulling them and taking brand new pictures of the first photo of each listing and doing new listings, refreshing listings. So I'm actually doing 10 new listings a day, 5 of my old listings, refreshed things, and 5 new. And that's been working out well. I've been doing that for about a week, and I'm going to keep doing that. Long term, my goal is to get to the point where I'm doing 10 completely new a day without doing the old listings, but I've got a lot of inventory back here I want to refresh the first photo of. And when you do that, it literally just creates a whole new listing for you if you want. So I'm just kind of going through and freshening things up. Some of my old stuff that I have could use a freshen up. So that's what I'm working on. And again, if you want to see the 90-day update of this box, do feel free to subscribe. Please give this a thumbs up if this was kind of even just fun for you. We have a lot of great content coming out in the next couple weeks. I've already got 2 of the videos recorded. I just need time. This was a weird week. I think we're kind of past a lot of the doctor's appointments that are kind of like surprise. So hopefully we'll have more of a consistency with videos here in the next coming weeks. And guys, thank you so much for joining me as always. Be productive, and we will see you next time. Take care, guys.